This is a $5 DIY challenge. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cabernet and this is Whitaker's Way. Today I'm going to be doing something crafty on this channel as a collaboration with Clueless Mama D as well as Ria's World of Ideas. There will also be a playlist below if you're in the Christmas spirit just like me and you've started decorating your house because everyone is making you do it on Facebook and Instagram. This is what sparked all of this. I'm not a DIY crafter, but I try when I have to, okay? If you don't know, I'm a mom. I live in Japan, so you know, I do it for the kids. I saw something really cute on Instagram, you guys. There was a girl, she took her kids to Disneyland, and I saw a really cute Disney necklace. Now, someone in the comments was like, how much did you pay for that necklace? And she let them know that it was only $14. So I went searching on Disney.com, you know, because my husband is a Disney fanatic. His dream job is Disney. This is perfect for me to do this type of DIY necklace for Mickey's ears. That's all I'm going to do. How simple is that? I spent $3, you guys. So let's take off these goggles, these glasses, so I can see, and let's get started. I mean, this was a $5 challenge, by the way, and I only spent $3. I don't think that this is going to, can I open this? Like, is anybody not prepared like me? I need to go grab some scissors because they have taped this up really good here. So I was shopping at Daiso here in Japan. Talk to you guys for a little bit. I'm actually going on a girls trip, so I'm so excited. My first girls trip, and I don't know what to do with myself, so I may bring this. I mean, we're going to Universal Studios and a bunch of other places here in Japan that I've never been to. I've lived here for 7 years, by the way, and there's a lot of places that I haven't been to, so I'm going ahead and open up these beautiful ornaments. They're so beautiful. I love the blues, the greens. What color is your tree this year? Let me know if you can comment down below, or let me know on Instagram. My Instagram link is always down in the description box. Sometimes YouTube is not too nice to me and they turn off my comments. Let me know if you're also like that. I also like really quick DIYs, you guys, that I can create in a hurry because I'm a very impatient person. And so when things are quick, I tend to like it. What about you? You see that Mickey ear, the first one? That is so cute. It's so cute. Keep going. So I did one. Let's get through the other ones. This will be perfect if you're going to Disney and you don't want to spend $14 on your Disney necklace. Of course, everyone will be able to tell that it is different, but it's unique. And I like anybody else making a mess while crafting. It across the table so that it doesn't leave me and all fall to the floor. Guys, so what have you been doing? Are you waiting for your New Year's resolution to lose weight, get fit, or set goals? Because I've started now, you know. I've started since October on this health journey that I'm doing. I switched to veganism and I love it. I absolutely love it, you guys. My food is a lot prettier. I feel better, and I plan on doing a whole nother video dedicated to this vegan lifestyle. So I'll have that coming up here soon. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, and if you're into healthy lifestyle videos, because my channel was a family vlog channel. It kind of will still be, but I think with all this craziness happening on YouTube right now, if you haven't heard of it, you have to inform YouTube when you upload a video if it's for kids or not for kids. So, oh, what should I put on the gold? Should I put blue? Let's see, do I already have a blue? No, I don't have a blue. Okay, so I'll be putting blue and gold together. Does that go together? I don't know, but we're gonna do it anyway because it's cute and it matches the other shiny one. So no, we'll just have, let's do dark. Let's do shiny against shiny. Yeah. So yeah, you have to let YouTube know if the video is for kids or not for kids. So I have set my channel as not for kids because I looked at my video analytics and I don't have kids watching my channel. So I'm gonna be making a whole video for people who don't watch DIYs on my channel, because I just do them when there's a challenge, right? And I do DIYs when I need to do a DIY for my kids. So I kind of like DIYs, and I like thrift shopping. I do those once a month. So if you are into thrift shopping, then definitely subscribe, because I am finding deals, you guys. This is so much fun. And it's actually therapeutic to like craft something and make it look nice. And if I can wear this during the Christmas holiday, you know, I can wear this to school because I'm a teacher here in Japan too. And the kids are gonna be like, Miss Cabernet, that is Mickey Mouse. And I'm gonna be like, yes, it is. So I'm super proud of this. I'm gonna be wearing those glasses with this, and I have 2 more balls left to do. So I'll show you the finished product once it's all done, and I'll put the side-by-side picture so you can see if I did a good job or not. Don't forget to rate me if you can. If you can't rate me, then try to rate me on Instagram, or I don't know, just let me know some kind of way. All right guys, I'll be right back. Finished Mickey Mouse garland. This can also be added to any tree if you are a Mickey Mouse fanatic. This can also be a necklace for yourself. So get ready for any holiday party with this beautiful necklace. Decorate any tree with this garland. You guys, it is so versatile. Look at that. I love it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what you see. Check out some of my other videos. I have a ton of them, all types. I DIY'd a cow appreciation costume for, you know, Chick-fil-A Day. So check that out as well. And give this video a thumbs up if you think I did a great job. Don't forget to check out the other ladies in the playlist. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.